Alright, hi everyone, welcome to the video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to call one Python file from another Python file. This can be really very important depending upon your projects and situation. So in this video I have a Python file, assuming that I have two files. I have an empty file. Right now I have my test, so I'm going to write some code and I want to call that Python file from another Python file. So let's get started. So I'm just going to say a pretty easy I'm just gonna write a simple for loop which is gonna print my name for 10 times. This can be any logic, of course. So sawmill what am I doing? All right, so we have a function, we have a simple two lines of code, which is known as mytest.py. Here you can see it prints, hey, my YouTube channel is Sawmill Shah 1995. That's beautiful. We want to call this function from this file known as fun. So let's get started. How do we do this? So let's get started with this. So first of all, let me increase the font so my viewers can see this properly without having strain on their eyes. So from subprocess, let's subprocess import call, just define. I'm gonna take an object oriented approach here. Class, let's call this class call py. Basically it's gonna call just a Python file, right? So define underscore in itself. It's gonna do nothing. I'm gonna define a function call underscore py. Let's just say call underscore python underscore file self. Now here what do we need to do? We need to say call. I just want to make sure the syntax was yep, I think so, that was correct. So here I need to pass in the path of that file, so path of that Python file that you want to call, of course. So I want to call my test. So left click, copy the full path. So just see how am I writing the code, because that's very very important when you're trying to develop any logic. So by default this is gonna be the, oh, did it copy the no hub dot, oh, it's my test. So let's copy this one, copy path, all right, and slide it down. Or what's a good way to do this usually? You can say path, so self dot path. Okay, so pretty cool, nice. Just gonna make the indentation properly, 2 indents after every function, so that, sorry, 1 indentation, my bad. So just gonna remove this from here. All right, so what do we do here, guys? We call python 3, all right, and just want to verify my syntax quickly. I think so, that was the one, I'm not sure. Just want to verify the quick syntax. Right. Oh, so basically it's inside the list, right? So so we can say inside this, and we can do the formatting dot format self path. All right, so that's it. So what I did is basically from subprocess call import call, so call which takes a list python 3, and I'm passing the path of that file. So it's as good as saying you are typing on the terminal like this, python 3 whatever name.py. So the computer will do this job automatically, so you don't have to do that. So it's gonna do that. So now let's try to call this function, and it will basically call another file. So let us do if underscore underscore name underscore underscore main, and just create an object of call py. And I'm not going to supply the path because by default directly the path is supplied. So this is how smartly you write code. Then what you can do is c dot call Python file, and sure enough on the terminal if I run this, it should print that function here, or Sawmill Shah YouTube whatever channel. So let me open this on the terminal. So quickly, alright, I do an ls. Here you can see these are all the files. We have fun.py, and remember I want to call my test.py from fun.py. Alright, so I can say python 3 fun.py. Here you can see whenever I executed this code, it was calling the other function, that is this function in this file from this file. So that's how you can do it. It's called a subprocess, and we do a call, and whatever command you want to do, you can do that. The one interesting thing that I want to tell you guys is you can also do this. I'm gonna make some videos on some shell and bash scripting, but just for now. So if you do this, it's basically as good as saying you're typing on terminal ifconfig. Sorry for that. I think there's some syntax issue. Clear. I think it was ifconfig or whatever. I don't remember it exactly right now, but that's how it was. Yep, here you see ifconfig. So whenever I run this Python file, it's as good as saying ifconfig. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and you're gonna make something really cool out of it. So you can do bash scripting from Python. So don't worry, I am gonna make a lot of tutorials on that, on hacking and stuff. So stay connected with me, and that's it for this tutorial. Have questions, feel free to post your questions in the comment section. And if you want to reach out to me, you can write an email to me as well. I reply to an email pretty often. That's it for this video, and if you have any suggestions, or if you want me to make any videos in particular, I can do that. So let me know. Thank you for watching.